आता 50 MCQ.
Okay, copy this, go to the VS Code, we'll clone a repository here. Where do I want it? I want it in my study material codes, projects, web. It is in the Nexus. Yeah, open it. Run npm I. Okay, what is it saying? Unable to solve. Found RC1. Next possible. Okay, from. Yeah, we can do. Okay, let's see first of all what is pull request. Okay, but before that, I think we should do readmd. No, there is no installation guide here. Okay, so I don't think so. Compiler option is relevant to us. Yeah, this is relevant to us. Next dev turbo, next length, next things, preview, next build, and next start. Next start. Type shake, prettier. Check. Okay, PNPM. So okay, so there is a PNPM. I think I should do legacy. Yeah, legacy. Here, dependency. I think this should work now. Let's see. It has created a node model folder. Now let's just npm dev. Let's see if we can see. Okay, React compiler. Okay, I can see it on my other screen. Let's bring it up here. Okay, yeah, they didn't exist. Yeah. Okay, so in square image, go upload image. If we do something like blue, black, the white. Okay. So one thing I have in mind is that after a user uploads something, right? So let's say he uploads something. So okay, we can choose the background, right? So what I want to do is I can, yeah, let's take this example, this image for example. Okay, so I can either choose black background or white background. By default it's white, right? There could be one improvement here, that if this background can be taken from the accent color as an accent color, right? So instead of choosing only white or black, we are tied to only two options. We can have two more options, in which, or we could just have one more option in which we could just mix up, or we can say merge these two things, where first thing would be that whatever accent color is there on the edges, that could be replicated, and into that also we can add a image picker also. So if user wants to do any image picking thing, he can do that, right? So let's try to replicate it. I don't think so we would be relying in on the third party libraries or third party components. I think we have to build it from the scratch. And yeah, since everything will be server side, I mean client side render, not server side. So it's not that of big of a deal that it wouldn't cost anything instead of just the hosting charges, right? Yeah, so it's good in that thing. So we can go to the first of all SRC app tools. In that tools, I think we are going into the square image, right? Square image. Okay. So it's my first open source contribution. I have seen multiple, I would say around 5 to 12, sorry, 10 to 12 open source projects. I have gone through the code bases, but I haven't did any PR or any contribution to the. So it will be my first willing to do. It's first time that I'm willing to do an open source contribution. Let's say let's just see what happens, right? If it gets merged or not. So first of all, okay, this is for I think okay, generate image age. Okay, it's for the meta tags, right? Yeah, it's for the meta tags, I think. In this page, okay, here is the metadata. Then why? Okay, in Square Tools, we have use a local host. Okay, use a local storage. So use local storage.ts. We are using local storage. Why are we using local storage? So what are we storing in? Okay, we will see that. But Twitter image, yeah. So Square image generator, quick. So open graph and this. I think these two are same, right? There is no change here. Yeah, okay. So what we can do, first of all, go to the square tool, black, white. So there are only two background options. So what we want, okay, so first of all, let's go through the code. What is happening? Okay, so here our react.fc, okay, why they are using react dot, okay, whatever. Okay, function component, React dot function component. Okay, I got it. They are specifying. Yeah, it is a TypeScript. Nah. Okay, okay. Yeah, here. Preview URL is there. Then what we'll do? We'll give the halt preview. So if it is not there, then what we will do? Okay, so if image metadata is not there, then we will upload this. Right? Yeah, where we accept image. Okay, so we have, yeah. Okay, after that, okay, so it's getting whatever is the max between height and width. It's just changing the image to that, right? So square size will be this, and image metadata will be this. That dot image metadata. So first of all, after upload, we will handle the image upload. In that, what we'll do is get the first file. After that, if file is there, we'll set image file. In that, for we'll set the image metadata to 00, and name would be the same. After that, there is a use effect. I think this use effect does something. So it does changes to image file. So where is image file used? Is there image file used? Image file is file. So where is image file? If there is an image file before that. So where we are updating the image file? Here. Now I get to know where is we are updating the set image. Okay, set image file to file. Okay, after, yeah, we are changing. Okay, got it. So this is the basic workflow. In that, in that we have background color is, it is white. Okay, so we need to add another label, right? So it doesn't like do that. We want it to be in 2 by 2 grid, right? So flex col, yeah, instead of flex col we could also have yeah, it's been a long time since I worked with flex. Okay, okay, and columns. Yeah, I think column twos will work. Does it? It doesn't. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, what? Okay, so what I want is that there only two components, no, two children should be in a single row. I think yeah, it breaks on the mobile device. Okay, so what it did? Okay, so it just deleted. Oh no, I don't want that. I don't even want to do that. Change the CSS structure that there are only two columns allowed on the single row. Every successor column would be shifted to the following row. There is okay grid, so it just used grid. So I could have done that also, but how to do it using Flex? Using Flex. I think there is a property called as something in the middle column, but I couldn't just remember. Flex cap. Okay, it just I think did a horrible job. So I would just like I think we can go back. Okay, shit. Okay, grid calls to and items should be send. Well, let's just leave that. We will have something black background, custom background. Okay, so in custom background, we could just yeah handle background change. We can go to handle background change, couple event value as black, white, or it could be custom as well. So we can go to the change event. Okay, no, not in change. Parameter black type custom is not assignable. We will go into the color, set black, set background with local storage or custom. But have just a custom in that set background. So square to the background would be height by default. Okay, so that's why we are using local storage. Got it. So set value key local storage as key. I don't think so we should need to do any changes in the yeah I don't think so we need to do any changes in that. Okay, so if we have background color is equal to custom, yeah, so it's let's say background color is custom, then what we will do background color, set background color, set background color. Okay, set background color is color. So how do we handle the image change? Okay, so if we create a canvas that okay is equal to background color. So background color can be a custom thing. So in that I want it to have a RGB value, right? Background color is just a string. So in that, okay, so okay, let's just take help from Claude here. No, let's try to do it on our phone first. Okay. Or it could be also no. Let's just stick for the accent and custom. Yeah, so it could be accent custom. Or so we'll add another one here. Uh, Handle background change image. So if there is a custom background, it should be instead of yeah. First focus. Let's focus on the accent background, right? So let's say, and we will go to the if the accent is there. If we have chosen accent as our color, then we first have to get the accent of the particular image, right? So how could we get the accent there? So if background color is equal to accent, then what we'll do? So we will create a function, or one thing we can do is tx fill style else. What we'll do, the background color with the given background color. So if it is an accent color, right? So if it is an accent color, then what we have to do is get the accent color. So instead of that, we could have, okay, so background color is accent. Then we can create a function called as conjugate accent color. So what is the spelling of color? Yeah, it is color, which will be anonymous function here, and in that we will provide an image, right? So here we will have something. We can update the background color here. We don't need to put it in the else clause. We can just, I think, do this fill style. It's canvas grading, canvas pattern. Okay, we will look upon to that later. So background color, we will get, so cons accent color is equal to get accent color, and we will pass the image file into that, right? So image file would be 5, right? First step would be 5. Image file called as data file. What the hell? Just load the window. Yeah, I think it was. I think it shouldn't be. Thing of worry. No. So we get accent color. What we can do? We can just tell the edit code, compile the code. Okay, so get accent color. String object is possible in the r plus b plus g. Okay, so it's time to get. get the color on. Okay, what did I do? Get the color of the image. Okay, so what you did, you just return new prompt. Okay, so it will always resolve. Okay, don't worry in that. So we will on load, we will do image on load canvas to T. So in this we will have again okay, so in this we will again have context. If context is present, then what we do. Okay, so we created image with okay, and top pixels, get the width, border pixels, map RGB is equal to border pixels 5. Okay, so here we get color map frequency. Return the So if we can't get, we will have white as a default, right? Well, that was the default. So dominant color will be a string. Your color, this, it's map. That there will be color is in this form of string. Okay. So in that window, cx dot fill style equal to accent color. And we have to, I think, await this. Yeah, we have to, I think, await this, but why it isn't working? Okay, use if I download. Okay, so it is frozen. So start then. Okay, so accent color it's returning a promise, and then what we do is return. What is it returning? Instructed. Okay, so we will just return whatever things color, color, right? So color it's parameter which is unknown, then accent color. Yeah, so it's resolving dominant color. So I think here we can do it all again. इकडे खाऊ दिला खाऊ काय हँडशेक करून लाव चल हँडशेक कर त्या हाताने कर नाही करणार खाली पाडू. हुश. खाली पडले, खाली पडले, खाली पडले. आता झोपाल्या. खाली जायचंय. जा. जा खाली. जा खाली. मारवडी. खाली खाली जाणारच का नाही? बुगेट. बुगेट.